Good morning. I'm really not going to go too far. I just woke up. I'm very tired, and somebody became a new friend of mine that I accepted, and bingo. And I never watch anybody's stuff right away. I don't like to say that it's not good. I'm just too busy. And it was very interesting because the picture of the video this gentleman had on his page showed me a 686, but it was 886, and 88 is the piano. It is the ring, okay, of 6. 886 is also 988, which is 792. 792 is, if I remember, has to do with 9 times 9 is 81. Well, that'd be 729. 999, 81, which is Venus, times 9 is 729. And I have over here, how much? Wow, I can't find where it is. 886. Oh yeah, 88. 9 times 80 is 720. Then 9 times 8 is 72, is 792. This is a portal. 92 is the portal. 7 times 9 is the creation to creation. Number 72. 72 by 5 is 360 degrees around. 7 times 9 is 63. 126 into the dog pound, the one spirit. 126 and 16, 17, 18, 136, 144. 12 by 12, 144. It's a box. 6, on November 1st, when things are supposed to stir up, it is the 11th month of the first day. In the 13 world, it's 12, 12, 12, 36 creation, 36. In a leap year, it's the 306th day. Add a 6 to the 0, you have 366. 3 times 6 times 6 is 36. Times 3 is 108. 108 plus 15 equals 123. 123 equals to the same thing as saying 50 for Moses, 30 for Jesus, and 43 for Barack Obama. 123 Michael Jackson. Number 5, the fivefold, the opening of the hole, because it's between 1 and 8. The biggest numbers. 9 birth is inside 6. The same as 8 is inside 6, but we're talking about the two worlds. When you do a number count, the two in the same name but in two different languages don't match up together. That's because of the letters used in both of the languages. Say, I am Spanish. I am upside down to you, therefore minus the letter H. Or I am Greek and I'm backwards to you, minus the letter D. So you recreate. So you have from 366 or 366 days a year, but the 306th day in a leap year is November. And I always have to work the leap year days regardless, because that's the time they have the passage of the 7th gate for the 9 entry. In French, it says neuf, which means new. The first two letters are N and E, and it's the ending for O-N-E. Just like 0 is the beginning for O-1. Like October is robotic, system, robotic, you know. So now we have this 111 in November, into the 13 worlds, 1 and 12 make the 13, which equals to the 91 in the cards, but that's your total. 91 is 10 equals 777 to the 7th gate. So since we're going to the 7th gate, we go 999, which is Jupiter in fine gold. We can never have 3 of the same. If you have 3 of the same, we go to jail. In the 7 worlds, November 1st becomes 111. 777, 999, 12, 12, 12. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 12 is 27. It's 333. The big pig, Saturn and Jupiter. So this is what it does on that day. $97 million and $101 million. They put the M. M equals 1,000, 1,097, 1,000, 1,000, or 1,101,000. But we don't want to calculate that way. We want to go 13. 13 plus 97 is 110 stories of the Twin Towers. 13 and 101 is 1 to 14 on the cross. 1 to 14 on the cross equals to a total of 105, and the same number in the same day of the Boston Massacre this year. 105 or 114 is number 23, because 56, which is the comet, represents the word for number. Represents the word for 3, T-H-R-E-E. 56, 2 is number 58. Together, you put them together, and you get 114. 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days of the pig's pregnancy. 111 with 333 make 444. That's not good. 444 makes the swastika. Makes the windows. 444, windows and doors, shutters and blinds. 56 becomes 65, becomes the seventh gate of the white wolf, the headless horseman. 58 becomes 85. 56 reverse makes 121, makes 1111 equals 121. 1111 represents 7 and 7, which makes 49 plus 1, which 121, which is 171, which is 8 and 9. 9 times 8 is 72. And everybody knows what 72 is. The highest you can go is 7, but you can't go to 1, because 1 is owned by the Holy One angel. A7 and B7. After that, you're on creation, C, center C of the piano, in which we did not talk about how we get from one end of the piano to the other. When we speak about 8558, 8 and 5 is 40 and 13, which is the game with the cross on your back, and it becomes 33. 56 becomes 22 and 33, 322, 323. The monopoly money counted for the 80. The monopoly money counted. 868 becomes 686. Count the monopoly money. 500, 100 is 600, 50, 20, 10, 5, 1, 686. So the banker is speaking, and they don't want to dish out the money. A few hundred million. What's a few hundred million? Look at all the numbers I wrote on one piece of paper. I can share this with everybody if it was worth any money. I just rip it up and give it all away. So that's what we have. It's the 305th day of the year, the 306th day of the year. If it was, it's the 305th day of the year this year, which makes the 0 a 6, becomes 365. Now the swastika and the geometrical tree, okay, are set up like this. And I told you 12, 12, 12, right? 365, 47. 12, 12, 12 is 36. It only goes to the queen. It goes to the queen. Take away number 13 from the king to the queen. 78, 87. 87, 78. And 13, 78 is the queen. 78, which is the queen, 1 and 2. Not 1 and 3. I'm trying to remember something that I was thinking. 1 and 2, take away the 12 from the queen. The queen, the queen. 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 2 is 3. Which is 333, which says cul-de-sac and dead end. So here's your 365, 3, 6, 5, 4, 7. 4 and 7 is time. 4 and 7 is right here. That's your clock. See the way it's like one candle and the 1 is the dot on the top. Just like 9 and 6 and the 3 is the dot on the top. Why? Because on the top here, the 1 dice has a dot in the center, and on the 3 it has the same dot, and it includes the 2 inside of it over here. 365, this is November 1st. The time, this is 1776. 745 is the machine, the gateway to the machine. 36 is the angel resident creation. So this is November 1st, and these are all the numbers about November 1st. And like I said, 306 is like 366, and 305 is 365, and that's because of the leap year. What number day it is of the year is, it is. And 304, 305 is Halloween, and 305, 306 is November. So when you connect them both, it says 611 or upside down 911. Raphael 7286, it's the same thing as saying September 11th, which would be 911. 611, 911, all the same. Flip it upside down. I'm lying down on my bed. You came in from behind. I'm looking backwards. Okay, what is it? If it's Greek, it goes one way. If it's Italian, it goes another. Sometimes it doesn't go any way at all. I'm going to end this video right now. We had 114. We had 80 million, okay, which means 86. And that 86, when you say 80 million, it says 86, and that's man of two worlds. It becomes number 14, the cross on your back. 6 reflects 8. 80 million is this. 3, 4, 6, 7. The moon, something to do with the moon. Each one is its own cross. Add them up together. 3 and 4 is 7. 7 and 6 is 13. 4, 7, 4, 47. 7, 4, 47. Um, that I designed is the design that I showed you. It's a French term, and I'd like to know about the 12 days of Christmas for the 12 French hens, or whatever it was. But this says 88. 88 this way, 88 this way, 88 this way, 88 this way, 4 by 88. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times 88 is 480. 6 times 88 is 480. Oh, it comes up to 80 again, which comes up to 320 degrees. And 320 degrees, why we need 320 degrees between 4:30 and 7 is because 20/20 world extra. So you have to take out, come to the center, move 20 this way and 20 that way from 6 o'clock at 180 becomes 160 and 160, which is 166 and 166. Don't count the 0, which becomes 36 and 1248 becomes the angels and space. 48 and angels in space, 48 because 48 reduces to 44. 688, 6 times 8 is 48, equals to 528. The match about what I was telling you equals to 480 and 48, 528. 528 on your phone and your calculator is straight up and down in the center. The only time that there is a spirit angel connect is in the 5, when it shares it with both sides. It shares it with the machine, and the machine gets to do what it wants with your part of the brain. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, and in the month of November starts with the cross. O is number 15, which is number 6, which makes the cross on your back. V is the life you have. 2 times 2, 2 plus 2 equals to the 8th heaven. EM in November, come to the 5 and 13, the orange ball and pull because of number 1 and number 3 match up and create that color. So you take 1, 9 as your birth, and 3, 11, which is your spirit creation of Sam, which is 10 plus 3 and 11 ball is 14, is 24. And then the 5 and 13 is 18, totals 42. And that's the number of the geometrical tree for the Mayan calendar and many other things. I want to thank you from 42 reverse to 66 becomes 36 and 48 angels. And there's not 48 angels because it's been doubled up in this world. The most amount of angels you can have is actually just, what is it, 18 and 8 is 26 plus 1, 27, because those are the consonants starting on the left side of the vowel A, but don't forget in Hebrew it's a little bit different. Raphael 7286. Constellation of Pegasus of 5775, which is actually another 33. I want to thank you for watching this video.